Welcome to qnawire.
All right, so we have the 1500 feet vertical, and then the 14-degree angle of depression, which is from the horizontal, would be the same thing as within a single right triangle, a 14-degree of angle of elevation. So what trig ratio can we use to find the horizontal distance from the hiker? We'll call that x. Well, from that angle, we know the opposite, and we want to find the adjacent. Thinking of SOHCAHTOA, opposite and adjacent is tangent. Now we'll find it to the nearest foot. So we'll say the tangent of 14 degrees is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. Cross multiply the x, divide by the tangent of 14 degrees, and x to the nearest foot, 15. Make sure your calculator is in degree mode, and we'll go 1500 divided by tan 14. And that's to the nearest foot, 6,016 feet.